Hi, I am Somnath Bordi from TYF BTech IT. Today I am explaining the stopword, remove stopword and streaming program. Aim of our program. Consider a suitable text dataset, remove stopword, apply streaming and feature selection technique to represent document and vector, classify documents and evaluate precision recall. Objective of our assignment. Implementation of the problem statement using Python. Remove stopword, apply streaming and feature selection. Stopword. In computing, stopword are words which are filtered out before or after processing of natural language data, that is text. Through stopword usually refer to the most common word in a language. There is no single universal list of stopword used by all natural language processing tools. And indeed, not all tools even use such a list. Some tools specially avoid removing this word stopword to support phrase search. Any group of words can be chosen as the stopword for given purpose. For some search engine, these are some of the most common short function words such as the is, at, which, and, on. In this case, stopword can cause problem when searching for phrases that include them partially in names such as the, who, the, or take that. Other search engines remove some of the most common words, including lexical words such as want from the query in order to improve performance. Code to remove stopword in NLTK tool. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. NLTK is a leading platform for building Python program to work with human language data. It provides easy to use interface to over 50 corpora and lexical resources such as WordNet along with the suite of text processing libraries for classification, tokenization, streaming, tagging, parsing and semantic reasoning. Wrappers for industrial strings, NLP libraries and an active discussion forum. Now you can see the stopword remove stopword program from NLTK dot tokenize import word tokenization. That means from natural language toolkit tokenization import word tokenization from NLTK tokenization import sentence tokenization means sent tokenization from NLTK corpus import stopword from string import punctuation text. This is our list name text. This is our list or sentence. All work and no play makes Jack dull boy. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Import NLTK. NLTK.download stopword. Stopword is equal to set stopword.word English. This is our language. Plus list punctuation. Print stopword. This word is a stopword. This word are removed from in our sentence. Import NLTK. NLTK.download punct. Word list is equal to word for word in word tokenized text if word not in stopword. Print word list means print that word. This is not in the stopword. The output of this is all work play make Jack dull boy. All work play make Jack dull boy. This is our final output. Next is steaming. Steaming is the process of reducing inflected or sometimes derived work to their work stem, base or root form. Generally, it is written word form. The stem need not be identical to the morphological root of the word. It is usually sufficient that related word map to the same stem, even if this stem is not in itself a valid root. Algorithm of stemming have been suitable studied in computer science since in 1960s. Many search engines try to work with the same stem or synonyms as a kind of query expansion, a process called completion. A suffix stripping algorithm famous for stemming, code stemming with NLTK tool in Python mode. Suffix streaming algorithm. Suffix streaming algorithm do not rely on a lookup table that consists of inspects from forms and root from relations. Instead, a typically smaller list of rules. A store which provides path to algorithm given in output input word from to find a root from. Some example of rules include if the word ends in ed, remove the ed. If the word end in ing, remove ing. Now you can see the steaming program. From NLTK.tokenization, import word tokenize from NLTK stem.Lancaster, import Lancaster steamer. Now text this is our list name. This is our sentence or list. It is important to buy very Pythonly while you are Pythoning with Python. All Pythoners have Pythoned poorly at last one. ls is equal to Lancaster steamer. Steamlan is equal to ls.steam word forward in word tokenize new text. Print statement. It is import to by very Python while you are Python with Python. Now you can see here it is important. There is only import. Here Pythonly you see here only the Python while you see the only while. From NLT tokenize import word tokenize from NLT tk dot wsd import length from NLTK dot stream import porter streamer from NLTK dot tokenize import send tokenize word tokenize. PS is equal to porter streamer example word is equal to Python, Pythoner, Pythoning, Python, Pythonly. For W in word example word print ps.steam. Here we use the steaming method. Now you can see our output Python, 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 Pythonly. Here er is removed, ing is removed, ed is removed, ly is replaced by li. Feature extraction. In machine learning and statistics, feature selection, also known as variable selection, attribute selection, or variable subset selection. It is the process of selecting a subset of relevant feature for use in model construction. Feature selection techniques are used for four reasons. First is simplification of model to make them easier to interpret by research, shorter training times to avoid the curse of dimensionality, inner generation by reducing overfitting. This is feature extraction architecture. Raw text, then process the sentence segmentation, then tokenize part of staging, part of pitch staging, entity detection, relation detection, relation. This figure shows the architecture of the simple information extraction system. It is being to processing the document using several of the procedure discussion in 3 and 5. First, the raw text are of the document is spliced into the sentence using sentence segmenter. Now you can see here. And each sentence is further subdivided into word using tokenizer. Next, each sentence is tagged with the part of speech tag. We can see here part of speech tag. Then entity detection, which will prove the helpful in the next step, namely entity detection. In this step, we search for mentions of potentially inter- interesting entities in each sentence. Finally, we use the relation detection to search for likely relation between different entity in the text. Now we can see here relations, list of tuples. Conclusion of our assignments. Thus, we have studied to remove stopword, apply streaming, and feature extraction techniques to represent documents as vectors. Thank you.